Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make such a cute headband with teddy bear ears. It's pretty fast and easy. So let's start. I used the yarn from Loop and Thread, Sweet Snuggle Light, hook 6 millimeters, markers and thread with needle. We start with chain of 55 loops. The pattern is pretty easy. Once we get to the end of the chain, we connect them and we are going to crochet in single crochet style. So we need to crochet 7 rows, 55 single crochet. So we have 55 stitches in each row. We need to make 7 rows. Here we get to the end of the first row, and the most important that it's not twisted. Make sure that the chain is not twisted, and we continue crocheting the same way. We mark the beginning of the row and move to the second row. That's what we get after we crocheted 7 rows. Now we are going to cut the yarn and hide the ends. That's how it looks. So we made the main part, the headband by itself, and now we are going to move to the ears. We start with a chain of 4 loops. Row number 1, increasing, we repeat it 3 times, so we have 6 stitches in this row. When we get to the end of the row, we make air loop and turn. Row number 2, we make increasing and we repeat it 6 times. We have 12 stitches in this row. Again, at the end of the row, we make air loop and we turn. Row number 3, we start with 2 single crochets. Then we make 1 double crochet. We just put the yarn on the hook before we insert it inside. Now we do increasing, but we use double crochet style, and we do it 2 times. This is the first increasing. And now we make one more increasing in double crochet style. Now we make 2 double crochets. This is the first one and the second one. Now again we need to make increasing with double crochet. This is the first increasing. And the second. Now we have 1 double crochet, one double crochet, and we are left with 2 single crochet. We have 16 stitches in this row. We cut the yarn. That's how it is, and we need to make 4 pieces like that. 2 pieces in these colors and 2 pieces we need in gray. Now we have 4 pieces. We take the yarn that is going to be the main, in my case it's pink yarn, and we crochet them together. In the front we put the color that is going to be inside the ear, and we use single crochet style, just crochet them together, but at the beginning of the row and at the end we do increasing so the shape is better. And we just crochet through all the stitches. That's how we made one ear, and now we need to do the same with the second ear. Once ears are done, we can sew them. Usually I leave 3-4 stitches between. We just find the middle of our headband and then sew the ears to the headband. I use simple thread and needle. You can use chenille yarn or also simple to sew it. Now the headband is ready and you can enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and don't forget to put like and write me in comments in case you need other size. See you!